Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Now today we will be having a look at the Canyon solar powered pathway lights by Click. There's the little attachment that came on the lights. It says Canyon solar LED pathway lights, black stainless steel. Now here's the actual light, and I've bought these to replace the aging Gardenglo solar lights that have been there for the past 4 years. The reason I decided on these ones over all the other lights I sold at Bunnings was because they match these. And I've already got a video up about them. And this is the second packet I bought because I need more than 10. So I'll be putting these up today as well. But that's another whole video. These only cost $6. They are the same finish, stainless steel, coated stainless steel. This is actual glass, not plastic. The other thing I like about these is that these are white LEDs, so they're in the, what's it say here, 6,000 to 7,000 K range for light colour. A lot of the other lights they sell now are the warm coloured LED lights, which I don't like. I like the really white light, which is what these ones are. And they do give you one of these when you buy the lights that tells you where on the light spectrum your lights are. So these are daylight white LEDs, crystalline solar panels, and it's got a run time up to 6 to 8 hours after allowing a minimum of 8 hours charging time under full sunlight. And these do throw out a really nice lighting pattern, which is very, very similar to the lighting pattern of those little ones I showed you earlier. And there's the picture of it there. It does like a star pattern on the ground, and the other small pathway lights do the exact same thing. It looks really, really nice. And I'm hoping this will show up on the camera when we test these out tonight. Let's go outside. We'll install these. It's early in the morning. And hopefully we'll get at least 7 or 8 hours of good daylight into this solar panel before it goes dark. So we can give them a test run tonight. This is the inside there, and it's got a little on and off switch, so you can turn your lights on there. Once it goes dark, like you block the solar panel, the light comes on. Okay. Now I normally test this in the shop because I have had lights in the past where that function didn't really work. So I do make sure these work. Like I said, this is glass. Let's put it back on. There's your light. It goes dark. Light comes on. And when the sun comes up, or while there's daylight, while it's charging up the battery, the light's obviously off. So it comes on automatically at night. Now this also has a replaceable AA rechargeable NiCad battery in it, and it does in the instructions here recommend to replace the battery every 12 months. Now I have replaced the battery in my other Gardenglo solar lights, but it doesn't, the solar panel just doesn't charge them up anymore. I think after 4 years, I think they've done their dash. And look, if these ones here last me another 4 years, I think I'll be quite happy. See how we go. So let's go out, install the light, and see how it goes. We're outside, it's a very dark night, and these are our corner lights on each side of the gate. The bigger ones, you can see the smaller ones there, the $1 ones. And there's our $6 light on the corner, nice and bright. And the other one's on the other corner. And here you can see the difference between our $6 lights and our cheaper around $1 lights, I guess. So there's one, and there's the smaller ones. The overall light output of these is a lot more, and you can't really appreciate it because the camera adjusts for the brightness. So when there's a really bright light at night, the camera will adjust to avoid the flare up of a really bright light. As you just saw, the lights work really well. They look great. I'm pretty happy with them. And hopefully I'll get another 3 or 4 years out of these for $6. Look, you can't really go too far wrong. I mean, you're struggling to buy a cup of coffee these days for $6. And these lights will last a lot longer than a cup of coffee. Anyway, if you've got any questions about these lights, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.